Okay, I'm gonna start with my end cap, starting with my safety start. I got my seat belt. It is properly mounted and secured, not cut, torn, or ripped, frayed. It latches and unlatches properly. My brake valves are applied. My vehicle is in neutral. My gauges have done a safety sweep, and I can start it up. Okay, my ABS light came on and went off, so that's working properly. I'm gonna start with my windshield and my mirrors. They are properly mounted and secured, not cracked or broken. They're clean, free of illegal stickers, and my mirrors are adjusted to me, the driver. Okay. I have my windshield wiper arms and blades. They're properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken, cut, torn, or frayed. They work properly. My fluid is filled to the proper level and it's not leaking. Next, I'm gonna go down to my gauges. I have my oil, my DAF, which is not less than 1/8 full, my primary, secondary air gauges, my temperature gauge, and my voltmeter. All of these are working properly and in the proper range levels. Next, I'm gonna go to my lights. I have my clearance lights and marker lights. My low beams, green light indicating that's working properly. My high beam, blue light indicating that's working properly. My four-way flashers, left turn signal, and right turn signal, all working properly. Next, I'm going to go to my heater and defrost. Cylinder and below, both working properly. Next, I'll do my seat horn and my air horn, all working properly. Okay. Next, I'll start my tug test. I'm going to start that by pushing in my yellow valve. I'm pushing in my yellow valve. I'm testing my trailer brakes, spring brakes. I'm going to put my vehicle in drive. Then I'm going to give it a little tug. Vehicle hold held, so they working properly. Next, I'll test my tractor brakes by pulling out my yellow knob, pushing in my red, put the vehicle back in drive. Press my accelerator, give it a little tug. It held, so that's working properly. Okay. Next, I will try with my service brakes, stopping action of my service brakes. I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to tell you how it's done. I will push in both valves, put my vehicle in drive. I will go forward about 5 miles an hour, then come to a complete stop, pressing the brake pedal. And my vehicle should not pull left or right. So that concludes that part. Now we'll start my 3-point brake check. Starting out with my governor cut in and cut out. So I have a full system. It's already full at the range of 120 to 140. I'm going to fan down my brakes in between 90 to 100 psi, and my governor will cut in. Okay, it's cut in. My air pressure is building. Once it builds between 120 to 140, it'll cut out, and I'll know it cut out because I'll hear a burst of air coming from my air dryer. I'm going to help it assist it to build faster by pressing the accelerator. That was my burst of air, so that's working properly. Next, I'm going to do part of my leakage test by turning my vehicle off, turning it back on to electrical, and releasing my brakes. Okay, I'm gonna do the apply test once my air stabilizes. Okay, it's stabilized. I'm now going to apply firm pressure to my service brake and hold 1 minute. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000. Okay, a minute has passed. I should not lose more than 4 psi in 1 minute for a combination vehicle, or 3 psi for a single vehicle. So now I will move on to my fan down 1. By doing that, I'm testing my warning system, so I will pump my brakes down at approximately 55 psi. My warning light and buzzer will come on. Okay, fan down 2, I will continue to fan my brakes down, and between 45 to 20 psi, my valves will pop out. And that completes my 3-point brake check.